Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a UMIDIGI Bison or UMIDIGI Bison that broke. I think this is not that strong after all, so let's go fix it. So this Bison, UMIDIGI Bison, is one of those rugged smartphones that is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. But it finally broke. So what happened to it? You can see there's a plastic cover over the broken display. The display is rather exposed. It's not recessed underneath any bezel. So when you drop it, it will most likely hit itself. But the customer already bought the replacement display, but they are not interested in doing the fix themselves, so they took the replacement display that they ordered online, I think, and have David fix it here in the shop. So David obliged, and as you can see here, it's rather difficult to remove the display. I think the adhesive is very strong. You can see the replacement display is already beside the smartphone waiting for it to be installed, and we have already pried almost half of the underneath of the display. You're just gonna agitate it with more alcohol and we'll lift it up. So this one, I think this is not a mainstream smartphone, or it's a very minor brand, but I can see that they have very robust construction. The back cover is not busted or whatever, only the display. And when you replace the display, you just open it up through the display and lift it up. We have this attachment to the main board, and it's like a Google Pixel. So we're just gonna clean this up and replace the display right away. No need for us to remove anything at the back. No need for us to fully disassemble the smartphone. We'll test it up, install the connector, connect it to the board, and we'll try to power it on. Hopefully this works. Hopefully the customer bought a good replacement display, and David has already noticed some dents on the corners there. We're gonna address that later on. And so far so good. You can see Bison, and on top of it is the broken display. So I think this is the right replacement unit. There you go. Colors are okay. Touchscreen. There's no lock screen. David is shocked to witness such a glorious smartphone come into life. And we'll shut it down for now. And we'll address the frame issue. We'll clean it up. The speaker grill, and we'll file any dents on the aluminum with this mini drill. It's like a Dremel for smartphones. So David has done a very thorough job here. So we have noticed that there are dents all over the frame. So we'll fit it now. So obviously when we replace the display, we are gonna use a standard liquid adhesive, so it's not gonna be waterproof from the factory as they claimed it to be, but it's gonna be usable at least without the cracked display. There's some dents on the bottom corners, So we're just gonna clear them all up and put our own liquid adhesive here. This is the first time I've seen this adhesive tube. So maybe David has. This is, I think, a heavy duty one. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna pour around it and install the display. So we still have time to install the displays. The adhesive will not dry up right away. We still have to screw this retaining clip with this one screw, and we can now close the device once that is done. So if you have a niche smartphone brand or model, feel free to message David, ask him what he can do with that specific model or brand. If you have a source for a replacement display, maybe you can bring it with you. Maybe you have a donor smartphone that you can get the display from. David can also facilitate that. So this UMIDIGI Bison will live on. Hopefully it will not be back soon and will live up to its shockproof ads 3 years ago. And we're just gonna let it dry and put a free tempered glass on the new display. If you're not around Sydney, if you can't visit Sydney in person, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. David will fix it here in the shop and arrange the shipment of your device back to you. And hopefully we can help you out with smartphone repair that no one in your local area can do. So we are looking forward to do that for you. I'm just gonna clean it up, let the adhesive cure. This is looking good right now. And we'll show you how we install a new tempered glass. I think this is not specific for this model because I've seen David repurpose some tempered glass for other models, but it fits rather nicely. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I have learned something, and like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. This is the before and after. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're